Once I was in Nagpur and I was just standing near a tea shop and was having tea. One of my old schoolmates, he came to the tea shop. He just looked at me, was normal like this. Then he ordered the tea. Suddenly he looked like this. Then he was looking at me. I was also looking at him. I know he was a schoolmate who studied with me. So I thought that let him grasp the attention. So what he was doing the we can say the acting like this is that. So Ben, and I know he was my best friend, and I almost laughed while seeing his comic and all these things. So this is how the people react, and if we can put it in the screen like this, it is one of the wonderful experience we will have. Thanks a lot.